This video is sponsored by Skybits, commercial telematics and logistics solutions for enterprise and local fleets. Visit skybits.com to learn more.
I'm Alex Chrissy, Senior Editor of Fleet Equipment Magazine, and this is Fleet Equipment's On the Road. Let's talk in-house maintenance versus outsourced. It's a decision that every fleet has to make early on, and it can be critical. So how do you choose? This is becoming a more complex choice thanks to new equipment options. Equipment complexity, difficulty diagnosing issues, and a shortage of technicians all contribute to the need for an outsourced service solution. Additionally, there are three types of outsourcing: OEM dealers for warranty and contract agreements, leasing companies, and independent shops. Your fleet size may make this an easy choice. If you have a smaller fleet, you may not have the resources you want or a network of shops throughout the routes your trucks run. There are a few questions you need to ask yourself as you make this decision. You need to verify whether you have the physical space for a maintenance shop, whether you can train the technicians, acquire the parts and tools you need, and generally whether this is something you can and should invest in. It can pay dividends to have your own shop in the long run, but you need to be sure that making the investment is a smart play before you dive in. If you want more in-depth trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.